I hope you will keep your words. I hope you will keep your words. मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप अपने अल्फाज पर कायम रहेंगे. Nothing happens without a reason. बगैर वजह कुछ नहीं होता. Nothing happens without a reason. I saw it with my own eyes. मैंने इसे अपने आंखों से देखा. I saw it with my own eyes. I am just saying what I have heard. मैं सिर्फ वही कह रहा हूँ जो मैंने सुना है. I have something to tell you. मेरे पास तुम्हें बताने के लिए कुछ है. I have something to tell you. Don't force me. Don't force me. मुझे मजबूर मत करो. Don't compel. Will you do me a favor? Will you do me a favor? क्या आप मुझ पर एहसान करेंगे? Do something now. Do something now. अब कुछ करो. Help me a little. Help me a little. मेरी थोड़ी मदद करो. I never told you to do that. मैंने आपको ऐसा करने को कभी नहीं कहा. I never told you to do that. He was laughing when I saw him. मैं इसको देखकर वो हंस रहा था. He was laughing when I saw him. Where have you been since I came? जब से मैं आया हूँ तुम कहाँ हो? Where have you been since I came? Whatever she is mine. वो जो भी है वो मेरी है. Whatever she is mine. How long will you take to do this? आपको ऐसा करने में कितना वक्त लगेगा? How long will you take it to do this? I will not spare you wherever you go. I will not spare you wherever you go. तुम जहाँ भी जाओगे मैं तुम्हें नहीं छोड़ूंगा. I don't need it. I don't need it. मुझे इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है. I don't know what will happen. मुझे नहीं मालूम कि क्या होगा. I don't know what will happen. I need some money. Can you pay? मुझे कुछ पैसे चाहिए. आप अदा कर सकते हैं? I need some money. Can you pay? Have you been here before? क्या पहले यहाँ आए हैं? Have you been here before? Has Ali arrived home? क्या अली घर पहुँच गया है? Has Ali arrived at home? No, he hasn't reached home yet. No, he hasn't reached home yet. नहीं, वह अभी तक घर नहीं पहुँचा. He doesn't teach English. वो अंग्रेज़ी नहीं पढ़ाता है. He doesn't teach English. He is 2 years older than me. वो मुझसे 2 साल बड़ा है. He is 2 years older than me. I forgot to tell you that. I forgot to tell you that. मैं आपको ये बताना भूल गया. Where have you been since morning? आप सुबह से कहाँ हो? Where have you been since morning? How do I look? How do I look? मैं कैसा लगता हूँ? कैसे लगता हूँ? One day everything will be fine. एक दिन सब ठीक हो जाएगा. One day everything will be fine. I am going to take bath. I am going to take bath. मैं नहाने जा रहा हूँ. Your voice is breaking up. आपकी आवाज़ कट रही है. Your voice is breaking up. Laugh as much as you want. हंसो जितना हंसना है. Laugh as much as you want. Don't concentrate on the words of people. लोगों की बातों पर ध्यान मत दो. Don't concentrate on the words of people. He confessed that he has stolen the money. इसने इकरार किया कि इसने पैसे चोरी किए हैं. Why are the bad things happen to me? हमेशा मेरे साथ बुरा क्यों होता है? Why are the bad things happen to me? You have no right to ask me anything. आपको मुझसे पूछने का कोई हक नहीं है. You have no right to ask me anything. Who is knocking at the door? दरवाज़ा कौन खटखटा रहा है? Who is knocking at the door? I went there but I saw nobody. मैं वहाँ गया लेकिन मैंने कोई नहीं देखा. I went there but I saw nobody. You should have told me. आपने मुझे बता देना चाहिए था. You should have told me. आपने मुझे बता देना चाहिए था. तो प्यारे शागिर्दों, ये था आज का सबक जो इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस के बारे में था. अगर वीडियो पसंद आई हो प्लीज़ लाइक करें और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर भी कर सकते हैं.